The chiefs and people of Manya Klo have held a durbar to climax this year's Ngmayem festival. The Vice President, Dr. Mahamudu Bawumia, who joined in the celebration, assured the people of Manya Krobo of government's commitment to providing accelerated and holistic development in the area. So Kwakuchire reports.
The Manya Krobo traditional area celebrates Ngmayem festival annually to commemorate the abundant harvest, especially of millet. This year's celebration was on the theme, preserving our cultural heritage for sustainable development. For the first time in many years, Dochihini Osaji from Oforipinin graced the occasion. He was accompanied by a large entourage of his chiefs and courtiers. Other chiefs in the eastern region also attended. The corner of Manya Krobo, Nene Sakite, thanked the government for introducing social intervention policies such as the free SHS while providing employment and training opportunities through the Nation Builders Corps, NACO, and planting for food and jobs.
Siambona akajamanio me anga sport yo nyele ganyu besabeno nyanga nichum nyele ganyu besabeno nyanga nichum lo lenene waje tandum he no aga onokpa he ya mame leno la imi enwenya kemono duta kemono oputan du ta eko koputan du ta eko.
Vice President Dr. Mahamudu Bawumia said the government is doing its best to provide the basic socio-economic infrastructure to improve the lot of the people. He urged the people in the traditional area to foster unity through culture to achieve sustainable development.
Under the One District, One Factory, approval has been granted for the establishment of a mango juice processing factory, honey processing factory, and poultry feed production factory in this municipality.
Dochihini Osaji from Oforipinin urged Ghanaians to support President Akufo-Addo to help accelerate Ghana's development process. Suyuko Kwakuchire, GBC 24, Manya Krobo.